Kaspa 2025. Price prediction. The year of hesitation, hope, and hidden momentum. Introduction. Asking the questions. Every trader knows, have you ever woken up, grabbed your phone, and stared at your screen with that same tired question? Did Kaspa move last night? Or did it just snooze while the market danced? If that thought has crossed your mind, you're far from alone. Traders in New York sip their coffee while refreshing charts. Berlin cafes hum with quiet speculation. And in Asia, glowing laptop screens reflect eyes scanning candlesticks like ancient hieroglyphs. Kaspa, KAS, has quietly, yet persistently, earned its place in these global conversations. It's neither Bitcoin nor Ethereum, yet somehow it whispers the promise of something meaningful. First, a word of gratitude. You, our readers, are the reason this narrative exists. You scroll, you comment, you debate, you share. And for that, we tip our hat. In the spirit of modern media, we also gently remind you to like this article and subscribe to keep following this journey, because Kaspa doesn't wait for anyone, and you'll want to know when the tide turns. Today's market snapshot. The stage is set. As of September 5th, 2025, Kaspa is trading at approximately 0.0832 USD, a slight dip from yesterday's $0.0835. The market capitalization stands firm at around $2.22 billion, with a circulating supply of 26.66 billion KAS tokens, out of a maximum of 28.7 billion. The 24-hour trading volume has surged nearly 23%, ranging from $13.34 million to $28 million, signaling that more participants are stepping into the arena. But here's the thing. The numbers, while informative, only tell part of the story. Kaspa today is like a soda in your fridge that's just lost a tiny bit of fizz. You notice it, but it's hardly catastrophic. It's a subtle reminder that crypto markets can be both predictable and completely unpredictable at the same time. The intraday high touched $0.0833, while the intraday low fell to $0.0811. This narrow range tells us one thing. The market is hesitant. The bulls are pacing nervously. The bears are lurking, but neither side is fully committing. It's a 0-0 soccer match in the 70th minute. Tense, quiet, and brimming with potential drama. Quarter by quarter. Mapping 2025. Q1 2025. Stability in the early year. The first quarter of 2025 opened with Kaspa holding its line in a modest range. Analysts predicted prices between $0.065 and $0.075, with limited volatility. Market participants were consolidating, recalibrating their positions after 2024's ups and downs. During this time, Kaspa's unique blockDAG protocol gained attention for its ability to process blocks faster than traditional blockchain solutions. This generated subtle excitement in tech-forward communities, but did not yet translate into a price surge. Imagine watching a kettle. The water is heating, bubbles form slowly, and you know that sooner or later a boil is coming. But for now, you just wait. That was Kaspa in Q1. Quiet, steady, and under the radar. Q2 2025. Cautious optimism. By mid-year, Kaspa began showing hints of upward momentum. Forecasts from CoinCodex and Changely suggested a rise to $0.075 to $0.085, reflecting incremental adoption and continued interest in the blockDAG advantage. Volume picked up as traders tested the market, with small spikes reminiscent of a busy cafe where multiple conversations overlap, each contributing to the hum of anticipation. Interestingly, social chatter also spiked. Forums in the USA saw heated debates over whether Kaspa could become a mid-cap darling or remain a niche token. European analysts focused on the technical robustness of the network, while in Asia, younger traders compared Kaspa to other meme-like but technologically promising coins. The global chorus of curiosity became its own form of market force, an invisible hand nudging the coin forward. Q3 2025. Volatility and hesitation. The current quarter has been characterized by swings between 0.065 and 0.085. Traders hesitate, caught between fear and optimism. The market mood is tense. Small fluctuations feel magnified, and any rumor, be it a partnership or a whale buy, can trigger a cascade of activity. Picture standing at a bus stop on a chilly morning. The bus is scheduled to arrive at any moment, but every passing minute makes you wonder, did I miss it? Should I call a cab? That's Kaspa now. There's interest, there's movement, but nothing is settled. Despite this hesitation, trading volume surged 23% in 24 hours, signaling that more players are willing to stake their positions. If this momentum continues, analysts predict a test of $0.085 resistance. Break it, and we could see a rapid climb. Fail it, and the coin may drift sideways or even dip to lower support levels near 0.065. Q4 2025. End-of-year surge. As the year concludes, forecasts suggest Kaspa could reach $0.125 by December, assuming tech adoption and investor confidence hold. Optimistic models from Investing Haven even project 40 cents under extreme bullish scenarios. The fourth quarter has historically been a time of reflection and final positioning in the crypto world. Investors evaluate annual performance, and Kaspa's technological promise could attract late-year buyers. Think of it as a school year. You've studied diligently, and now final exams determine your grades. Kaspa's exam could be a surge in adoption or a breakthrough announcement. Key factors shaping 2025 technological adoption. blockDAG's efficiency is more than a talking point. It could dictate real-world usage. Faster transactions, more scalable blocks, and low latency attract developers, creating a feedback loop for price appreciation. Market sentiment. Traders' emotions are contagious. A rumor in one region, say Asia, can ripple to Europe and the USA, causing micro spikes or dips. Global community engagement. Discussions across continents matter. In Europe, technical forums debate scalability. In the US, traders discuss potential returns. In Asia, younger investors combine memes with fundamentals to gauge opportunity. Regulatory environment. Even stable coins and promising projects are vulnerable to policy changes. Regulatory announcements could significantly impact Kaspa's end-of-year positioning. The short-term forecast. For the remainder of 2025, the expected range is 0.081 to 0.125. Minor corrections may occur, but volume spikes and increasing community interest suggest an upward bias. Imagine a soda bottle lightly shaken. Nothing dramatic happens initially, but each bubble adds tension. The bottle could fizz gently or explode. Kaspa's market behavior is similar. Small volume surges could trigger larger price moves. Humor and analogies along the way. Kaspa is like waiting for a bus, scheduled, slow, but inevitably arriving. It's like soda in the fridge, quiet fizz now, potential explosion later. Like a 0-0 soccer match at minute 70, tense, uncertain, and full of drama. These analogies aren't just for fun. they capture the emotional and psychological side of crypto trading. Traders react to movement, to news, and to global sentiment, sometimes more than to fundamentals. Global Perspective USA. Kaspa is viewed as a speculative mid-cap token with upside potential. Traders watch it for short-term swings. Europe. Analysts focus on technical strengths, with Germany and Switzerland leading discussion forums. Asia. Younger traders combine memes with technical enthusiasm, treating Kaspa as a high-potential, low-cap alternative to larger coins. Global engagement creates liquidity, interest, and sometimes chaos, factors that affect price in real time. Conclusion: patience, attention, and participation. Kaspa in 2025 is a study in patience. Today we see hesitation. Tomorrow could bring momentum. Analysts project $0.081 to $0.125 for the year, with extreme optimism stretching toward $0.40. The coin's unique technology, global attention, and growing volume provide a foundation for meaningful growth. But like all crypto investments, risk remains. For readers, keep following the charts, stay engaged in discussions, and remember to like and subscribe. The year may end with surprises, and being informed ensures you're ready for every twist in Kaspa's story. After all, in the world of cryptocurrency, the quiet fizz today may just become